The exact herbs you need to heal anything from insomnia to inflammation. Well, yes, many experts around the world think that you can use many different herbs to treat and prevent many different health problems. From insomnia to inflammation, herbs and spices were used by many different people around the world to treat many different health problems, and the most important thing is that they were used long before the antibiotics and prescription drugs. You should also know that you can get the same results from these herbs and spices, without any side effects. Well, guys, this means one thing, that you should definitely try some of these super healthy herbs. Functional versus adaptogenic herbs. And now you probably ask yourself, what's the main difference between functional and adaptogenic herbs, right? Well, you should know that the main difference between functional and adaptogenic herbs is that a functional herb has a direct impact on your body and specific ailment, whereas adaptogenic herbs support your adrenal glands to support your body's normal function in periods of high stress. Functional herbs and spices. 1. Echinacea. First, you should know that the echinacea root was traditionally used to treat many different health problems such as scarlet fever, syphilis, malaria, blood poisoning, and diphtheria. The echinacea root was also used to boost immune system to fight the common cold and flu and improve symptoms like sore throat, cough, and fever. And it can also relieve pain, reduce inflammation, regulate hormones, fight viruses and free radical. Well, this means one thing, you should definitely try it. 2. Valerian. This herb has been used to ease insomnia, anxiety, and nervous restlessness for almost 2,000 years. This is really amazing, right? Many experts around the world claim that this herb works similarly to alprazolam, Xanax, and diazepam, Valium by increasing the amount of GABA in the brain. How to use it? You should add 1 teaspoon of dried root in 1 cup of boiled water for 5 to 10 minutes. However, it may take a few weeks of daily use to begin to feel its effects. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, well known for its curcumin, is a bright orange root similar to ginger. It's used as a flavoring agent and anti-inflammatory medicine. It's also effective in relieving symptoms of indigestion, prevent irritable bowel syndrome, fight symptoms of depression better than medication, and alleviate knee pain caused by osteoarthritis. It can even kill cancerous cells. 4. Ginkgo biloba. Did you know that this herb is one of the oldest living tree species and is commonly used to enhance cognition and improve blood circulation? Well, yes, and you should also know that this herb can help you improve your memory, boost your mood, relieve anxiety, prevent brain fog, and many other health problems. 5. Milk thistle. Milk thistle. You should know that this herb is traditionally used to treat liver, kidney, and gallbladder problems. It has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it will help you protect your liver from all harmful toxins, including certain drugs, and promotes liver regeneration. The milk thistle is usually used for treating hepatitis, alcoholic fatty liver disease, and fatal mushroom poisoning. It fights cancer by preventing cell division and reproduction, inducing apoptosis and preventing blood flow to tumors. Adaptogenic herbs and spices. 6. Ashwagandha. Note, you can use the root and the berries of ashwagandha. This herb, which is also called Indian ginseng, is commonly used against many different health problems such as arthritis, tumors, tuberculosis, asthma, a skin condition marked by white patchiness, leukoderma, bronchitis, backache, fibromyalgia, menstrual problems, hiccups, and chronic liver disease. Many people also use it to improve thinking ability, fight pain and inflammation, boost fertility, and cure anxiety and insomnia. 7. Siberian ginseng. First, you should know that the Siberian ginseng contains different active chemical components than American or Asian ginseng. The Siberian ginseng is known to prevent colds and flu and to increase energy, longevity, stamina, and vitality. Russians typically use it to increase mental alertness and boost quality of life. Note, you should be very careful because this ginseng isn't for everyone, so you should make sure to never administer to children unless under strict medical supervision. 8. Holy basil. Holy basil and sweet basil, don't mix these two because they're not the same thing, and in fact holy basil is much more medicinal. A recent study has found that taking 500 milligrams of holy basil leaf extract twice daily after meals for 60 days reduced anxiety and associated stress and depression in people with anxiety. Another study using holy basil extract has discovered that taking 400 milligrams orally in the morning and 800 milligrams at night for 6 weeks decreased self-reported symptoms of stress including forgetfulness, sexual problems, frequency of exhaustion and sleep problems. This powerful herb is also beneficial in improving longevity, diabetes as well as killing cancer. 9. Maca. First, you should know that this herb will boost your energy levels by fighting anemia, chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, improve stamina and enhance athletic performance, memory and fertility. Maca can also boost immunity, fight depression and ease hormonal imbalance in women. Note and don't forget, it's extremely important for you to talk to your doctor and nutritionist before you use any of these herbs, because some of these functional and adaptogenic herbs or spices can interact with prescription drug or worsen pre-existing condition. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.